Boom, look at that shirt. Yes. So we are on our way to TNT Graphics to get the window stickers installed. As you can see, I'm not driving an RS7, I'm driving a GLS 63 AMG. It has a little bit more storage space and it'll be a little bit safer driving through the Rocky Mountains in the snow. So pulling up into TNT Graphics here. We're gonna start loading stuff up in the trail or in the back there. Lots of space, so really excited about that.
This is the HD4 SpeedFusion case by West Networks. It has a 60,000 milliamp hour power pack. It's running 4 ports of PoE Plus, thanks to the 52 volt PMU. Got my 8 cellular antennas hooked up. So I've got roughly 50 switches, 2 580s, a whole bunch of AP1s, HD4, Balance 30 LTE with SpeedFusion, my MFA, or I'm sorry, my EPX. I've got my Conquer the Switch shirts. I've got SpeedFusion shirts. I've got a HD4. I've got my HD2. My Transit Duo backpack case. I've got my demo switch and demo 580. I've got all my little SIM cards in there for the EPX, and got a little bit of room to spare, so that's good. It's becoming quite an interesting packing experience, though. It took a while to get all the switches unpacked. I mean, that was intense. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, get on the go, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. So I'm about ready to drive off. Got the car loaded. Let's hit the road. Pretty exciting. I've never done a 10,000 mile road trip before. That's gonna be kind of new. And luckily, I don't have a lot of driving today because I'm getting out really late. So I've got about 5 hours of driving today, and then I'm gonna stop in Pensacola. I'm gonna help a friend of mine that owns one of the companies I work with. I'm gonna help him with his Wi-Fi at his house, and then I'll head off to Corpus Christi tomorrow morning.